Your electric scooter's battery accounts for 40 to 50% of the vehicle's total value. When it fails, you are looking at a massive financial hit. These batteries rarely die overnight. They degrade slowly from poor charging habits until the day they finally force you to coast to an abrupt halt. Before that happens, the scooter will send you 5 clear warning signs. Look for a sudden range drop, a rapidly draining battery gauge, severe overheating while charging, erratic charge times, and unexpected shutdowns. Ignoring these symptoms turns a simple maintenance check into a guaranteed $200 replacement bill. The fastest way to guarantee that bill is through deep discharging. This is the highly destructive state a lithium-ion battery enters when you repeatedly drain its charge all the way down to 0%. At 0%, lithium ions fail to integrate into the anode, depositing unevenly to form sharp, needle-like structures called dendrites. These needles grow longer until they puncture the delicate separator membrane, causing a permanent internal short circuit. Every single time you drain your scooter to 0, you are physically and permanently puncturing its ability to store energy. If you are experiencing severe battery drop-offs, you need to determine if the hardware is damaged or if it is just a software glitch. To do exactly that, you have to run a physical test. The most reliable method is a multimeter load test. With the scooter completely powered off, you connect the multimeter probes directly to the battery pack terminals to establish your baseline voltage. Next, you apply the load. Lift the drive wheel off the ground, or brace it against a wall so it cannot spin. Turn the power on, and apply full throttle for a second or two. This chart shows how a battery's voltage reacts under stress. Every scooter has a rated baseline voltage, like 36 or 48 volts. If the voltage drops beneath that line while the throttle is fully engaged, the internal cells are failing. The multimeter provides undeniable physical proof, separating a truly dying battery pack from a confused internal computer. If your battery passes the load test but still behaves erratically, the issue is likely the battery management system, or BMS. This internal computer tracks charge levels and balances cells, but it can become miscalibrated, causing fake dead battery symptoms. You can clear these cached errors using the disconnect and wait method. Open the battery compartment, unplug the main connector, leave it disconnected for 15 minutes before plugging it back in. Many premium scooters offer a more direct route. They feature a recessed physical reset button on the battery pack itself. Pressing and holding this button for 10 to 15 seconds forces a hard restart of the BMS. For severe miscalibrations, there is an advanced 36-hour recalibration method. You charge the scooter completely to 100%, deplete it completely to 0, let it rest, and immediately recharge it back to 100% to map new, accurate voltage baselines. Successfully resetting the battery management system cures these phantom failures and restores your normal range, all without spending a single dollar on replacement parts. If the BMS reset and the multimeter load test prove the battery cells are genuinely dead, you are faced with a tough financial decision. This chart illustrates the 40% rule of replacement. To decide if a repair is worth it, you divide the cost of the replacement battery by the price of a comparable new scooter. If that ratio exceeds the 40% threshold, or if it suffers failing brakes, a grinding motor, and outdated technology, it is more economical to just buy a new scooter. Whether you replace the battery or buy new, the daily preventative protocol remains the same. Keeping your charge levels strictly between 20 and 80% vastly reduces stress on the electrodes, which can triple the battery's total charge cycles. Treating your scooter's battery like a financial asset is the only way to guarantee performance and save hundreds of dollars down the road.